What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing some rotors that I've been needing for the car. You guys are legit gonna hate me for the rotors that I have in there. Like, I swear, like, they're so clapped out. I do not understand how I put those Worldwood brakes with the stock rotor. Like, I'll show you guys. You guys are gonna be pissed. But let's start to jacking the car and get the wheel off. My rotors, guys. You guys remember the stock ones all fucking rotored out. And there's my pad. My pad looks good, dude, and I've been driving it around. So let's go ahead and take these nuts off, or bolts, pull this off, and then we're gonna put this new rotor on. So I went with these Detroit axle ones. These are from eBay, but they were like $100, not too bad. So they're drilled and slotted, so yeah, these are the ones that we're gonna go with. So let's go ahead and start installing them. Alright, so that's the old one. Look at all those heat spots. Not just that, but look how corroded and old it is. Look at the backside. All fucked up. Now onto the new one. Look at that. Oh yeah, dude, now it looks so good. And just like that, guys, the driver's side is set. I already lifted up to the other side, so you really can't tell. Look at that, guys. Pretty set, pretty clean. Now let's go ahead and do the other side. Like I said, I already have it up. So let's just continue the same process as the driver's side. I know, guys, this was just a short video, but bigger things are coming. And I stopped rapping for a bit because it's been windy for the past couple days. And just like that, guys, we are done. So that's how you change rotors on my car specifically, just because I have the Worldwood brakes, and of course I'm on bagged and stuff. So other than that, like, it's pretty much a similar thing to like a regular Civic. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.